Tonight was the first time that Lucy was ever exposed to dog wine. We got a little bottle of it and put it in her bowl. She showed very little interest at first, until... Lucy, you're gonna make me spill it.
But she likes it. No, it's not a good idea.
Oh, finally. Finally! It's literally absolutely hooked on this, aren't you? Holy cow. I can drunk all of it. A few minutes later, she started acting crazy. Completely drunk for like an hour. What the flip? Lucy, your eyes are... Why are you being like this? You're licking me, man. What are you doing? Look, your eyes are popping out halfway out your head. What the flip? Why are you being like this? Is it because of the... Lucy? Man, you look messed up. What are you doing? You're licking my arm. What the flip? Jesus Christ, Lucy, you're drunk. Flipping twitching your tail. Mum? Mum? Call the flipping vet now. Lucy, I'll put you out here to play. Stop. Lucy, we're playing fetch. Mum, are you... Lucy? Hey, doggy, how you feeling?
Weird.
Oh, I bet, man. That was really scary. You want to do it again?
Yes.
Okay.
Also, there is one thing I have to tell you.
What?
I can't see because my fluffing consciousness is in a snail.